So here's how to use mods in Runwayml. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your account. Then here you have to simply click on the generate videos option. Runwayml provides you two modes, which is Gen 1 and Gen 2. By using these modes, you can create any type of videos. You can create an entirely on video by using a video prompt, or you can also create your videos by using Gen 2 mode, where you have to enter the text to create your videos. Here you can also create videos using reference images. Simply you have to upload your image here. To create your videos via text, you have to enter your text here and then click on the generate option. Moving on to the next step, here you can also select any specific required change to your video. Now click on the generate option here. If you want to generate a video by using image, you can simply upload your image. Then click on the generate option. It will generate you a video using your reference image. It will use the reference image details to generate a video for you. Like it will copy the color, texture and other background details. Here, as you can see, it generated this video for me. So that's how to use mods in Runwayml.